Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to do the unboxing of a new and latest OPPO A78 5G smartphone. So now quickly open it up and start the unboxing. So here in top we get this small box. This is the small black box. You can see OPPO, and if we see inside it, let's see what we get inside it. So here we get this is the SIM ejector pin, and this is the reading manuals, safety guides, and this is the transparent back case you get in the box, which is a really good thing. Okay, keep this aside and come to the phone. So guys, here's the phone itself. You can see OPPO A78 5G. You can see 33 watt superbook fast charge, 5000 mAh long lasting battery, 50 megapixel AI camera, and dual stereo speakers. Yes, it has dual stereo speakers, and it has glowing black color. The glowing blue color is also available. So we come to the phone later. Let's see what else we get inside the box. So here we get the USB Type-C to USB 2.0 cable. And guys, this is the 33 watt. Yes, this is the 33 watt superbook fast charger you get in the box, which is a really good thing. Okay, that's all we get. Keep this thing aside. And now come to the phone. So here's the phone itself. Now remove its plastic cover. So you can see here's the phone itself. If we talk about the weight of this phone, it is 188 gram and the thickness is 8 mm. And if we talk about the design, so you can see guys, the design of the phone is looking really good. Here you can see it has matte design. Here you can see, and if we see the camera, you can see it has classic TLR camera design over there. You can see camera design is looking really good. Here you can see innovative AI camera. Now if we talk about its physical overview, in top we get nothing. On this side we get the side mounted fingerprint with power on off key. On bottom we get the main speakers, USB Type-C port, main microphone, and the 3.5mm headphone jack. Guys, it has dual stereo speaker. So one speaker over there and one is over here. And on this side we get the volume up and down key, and this is the SIM tray. So quickly eject it and see what specification we get out of it. So it has hybrid SIM slot. Yes, you can insert 2 nano SIM or 1 nano SIM or 1 micro SD card. So it has hybrid SIM slot. You can't insert 2 nano SIM and 1 micro SD card in it. And here we get the dual camera support. Here you can see 50 megapixel and 2 megapixel with LED flash. And on front guys, it has 6.56 inches HD plus 90 Hz ultra smooth display, which has panda glass protection. And here we get the 8 megapixel front camera over there. Okay, so now quickly boot this up and set up the device. So here I have set up the device, and this is the main screen of OPPO A78 5G smartphone. Guys, if we talk about the display, it has a 90 Hz ultra smooth display. So quickly go in display, and if we check the current refresh rate, so you can see it is set on high. Here you can see. So now quickly check this out. If we talk about the display, quickly check this out. As you can see, if we talk about the speed, it is running really smooth. You can see. Yep guys, if we talk about the display, you can see it is running really smooth. Here you can see it is running really smooth. Yep, the display of the smartphone is running really smooth. And after it, if we talk about its dual stereo speakers, so quickly check this out. If we go in sound and vibrations, Yep guys, the dual stereo speaker performance is really good and impressive, as you can see. After it, if we talk about its camera, so here are some shots I took with OPPO A78 5G smartphone in different lighting conditions with different modes. And if we talk about its side mounted fingerprint and face unlock performance, so now quickly check this out. If we talk about the side mounted fingerprint, I put finger and it unlocked the phone, as you can see. Try it many times. I put and it unlocked. I put and it quickly unlocked the phone, as you can see. It is really fast and responsive. Here you can see. I put and it quickly unlocked the phone, you can see. Here I put and it quickly, yep guys, the side mounted fingerprint is fast and really responsive, you can see. I put and it quickly unlock the phone. And if we talk about its face unlock performance, I look and it unlock the phone. I am not seeing, I see and it unlock the device. I look and it unlock the phone quickly. So guys, both side mounted fingerprint and face unlock performance both are really fast and responsive of the smartphone. Now if we go in settings, about device, so as you can see it is running on ColorOS 13, which is based on latest Android 13. And here if we see the storage, so you can see 25.2 GB is used out of 128 GB. And here you can see the processor. It has flagship 7nm Dimensity 700 octa-core processor. And here you can see the RAM, guys. This is the really good thing. It has a RAM expansion technology. You can expand it up to 8 GB, which is a really good thing. And here if we go in Android version, so you can see it is running on Android version 13 and the Android security update is of 5 December 2022. Okay. So guys, this is the unboxing of OPPO A78 5G smartphone. Guys, if you have any particular question about this device, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.